I am now pleased to ask to come forward 4 of your peers, all current students in Gator Engineering who have been asked to share their own words of wisdom to you. These are in the form of tips for success, which are drawn from their own experiences here and which I encourage you to consider carefully. Let me introduce to you Erin Winick, Breon Jones, Tyler Jacobs, and Julio Chavez. Erin is a 4th-year student in mechanical engineering, but started out her journey at UF in exploratory engineering. She arrived her first day torn between many engineering disciplines, but after becoming involved with the Society of Women Engineers and finding a mentor, she was encouraged to take computer-aided graphics and design a manufacturing lab. Because of these experiences, she was able to discover her true passions and the path that best fit the engineer she wanted to become. Breon Jones is a 5th-year material science and engineering major and the president of UF's chapter of the National Society of Black Engineers. He too started as an undecided engineering major. After a few semesters of exploring the different majors and speaking with advisors, faculty, and peer mentors, Breon chose material science and engineering during the spring semester of his sophomore year. Overwhelmed at first by the sheer liveliness of the campus, he has found his purpose as a student leader and now dedicates himself to improving the college experience of all engineering undergraduates. Tyler is a 3rd-year industrial and systems engineering major who serves as a career ambassador for the Career Resource Center and is the current president of the Freshman Leadership Engineering Group. Something he noticed after his first day experience was how different everyone was in their goals, but how similar they all were in their drive to achieve them. Julio Chavez is a 5th-year computer engineering major, and one of his first memories as a new Gator engineer is of his chemistry professor popping a balloon with a flame torch at 8:30 in the morning. He then thought to himself, whoa, this is what engineers do, huh? He's not seen a balloon pop since. And now they present their words of wisdom to you.
Thank you, Dean Abernathy. So hello, new Gator engineers, and thank you for being here today. And yes, I really am thanking you for coming to a mandatory event. I'm doing so because I'm sure all of you know someone, a friend, a student in your dorm, or a person in the class of 2019 Facebook group who bragged about not coming today. Well, my first piece of advice for all of you, you've already followed once. Take advantage of all your opportunities here at UF. Convocation is your first chance to see all of these important people who are going to help you succeed and sincerely care about all of your experiences here. You have already shown your initiative and taken the first step ahead of those who did not come today. You are going to walk by Dean Abernathy in the halls and say hello, while your friends are going to walk by on their phone and not even know who that was. So remember all these faces and names and make an effort to try to get to know some of them by the time you leave. And don't stop there. Even the Guide to Success booklet on your chair was an opportunity. It's really full of helpful advice and great resources that you can use in the coming months. So take advantage of all the opportunities that you get while you're here at UF. My second tip is go out and get involved in student organizations now. Student organizations are really an invaluable opportunity. Go out there and find a community for yourself. If you do not make time for it your first year, you're drastically less likely to get involved later on. And when you're applying for internships and companies are looking for leadership on a resume, it's going to be a little hard to run for president when you weren't already a member. So for me, I became historian of the Society of Women Engineers during my freshman year. I joined the mentoring program, went to the Welcome Week, which is happening again this year in case anyone is interested, and got to know all the girls in the upper leadership positions. I went on to become president last year during my junior year, and I'm going to be serving in a regional role again this year. Student organizations are your chance to make friends, find people to study with, and get early leadership positions. Also, you get to have amazing life experiences. I have had the chance to travel to West Point, Baltimore, Los Angeles, Tennessee, and Washington, D.C., all because of my involvement here at UF. Of course, all of this involvement really does take time. Being able to manage all of this outside of class means setting your priorities, which brings me to advice number 3, set your priorities right away. Start out your career here knowing what, other than classes, is important to you. For me, these priorities have been getting involved in organizations outside of class, maintaining a good sleep schedule. I sleep drastically more than any other engineers I know, about 7 to 8 hours a night. And 3, not getting hooked on caffeine. I know it's hard to believe, but I currently have a caffeine-free engineering degree. And of course, also for me, maintaining a long-distance relationship. I've been dating my boyfriend long distance for over 4 years now. So everyone has priorities that fit your life. They could be working a job to pay for school, going to every home football game, or maintaining a steady workout routine. Whatever these things are that are important to your mental and physical stability, make sure you stay true to them right off the bat. They will shape your experiences here for the better. And in order to make sure that you get the most out of your experience, my biggest piece of advice is do not rush. Remember that this is a lifelong journey you are on, and this is the first step. It's finding your path. UF's goal is to help you discover your passion that will make you confident in your direction by the time that you leave. This discovery could happen next week, during your sophomore year, or even during senior design. I'm taking 4.5 years and could not be happier. Take 5 in a co-op. Maybe a master's degree is right for you. College isn't a race, it's for your benefit, so take the time that you need. Where you envision yourself going right now could be exactly where you end up, but it is unlikely. You are going to have many amazing and new experiences while you're here at UF that will shape you as a person. So take advantage of the opportunities that UF gives you. Learn from mentors, peers, professors, and everyone you can. Learn from diverse organizations and groups of people, and most importantly though, remember that Gator Engineering is here to support you. So good luck on your journey in finding your path, and welcome to the Gator Engineering family. Thank you.